So they want to go from milligrams to grams, and they have 2,000 milligrams. So that'd be 2,000 milligrams. I'm going to draw my little picket fence. And they want the answer to be in grams. So how many grams is 2,000 milligrams? There are 1,000 milligrams in every 1 gram. All right, so you could write it like this, or you could write it like this. You could put 1 gram on top and 1,000 milligram on the bottom. All right, so we need this milligram to cancel, and this is understood to be over 1. So if I want this milligram to cancel, I need this. I need in my fraction, it needs to be in the denominator because milligrams is in the numerator in this fraction. So which one of these has right here? On this fraction, milligrams is in the denominator. So I'm going to put it on the picket fence like this. I'm going to put grams on the top and milligrams in the denominator. So now they both cancel, and now guess what? I have this. Okay, so now I got to multiply this out. Okay, so you have 2,000 times 1 is 2,000, and then 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. Get rid of this fraction. I divide 2,000 by 1,000, and I'm going to get 2 grams, and that's going to be my answer. Convert 5 liters to milliliters. Okay, so I'm going to put 5 liters over here. I'm going to draw my picket fence, and I'm going to put milliliters here because that's what they want in the answer. And now I need my conversion factor. I happen to know that there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So I'm going to make my 2 fractions. 1 liter to 1,000 milliliters. And I could write this fraction this way, or I could write it this way. 1,000 milliliters to 1 liter. Okay, so this is understood to be over 1, correct? Okay, so this liter is in my numerator. So I need, for this liter to cancel, I need the liter to be in the denominator. So I need to use this fraction. So I'm going to take my 1,000 milliliter and put it over my 1 liter. Guess what? This is very convenient because this cancels. So now I'm going to multiply it out. 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. So I multiply 5 times 1,000, that's 5,000. And of course, 1 times 1 is 1. Divide 1 by 5,000. My answer is going to be, for every 5 liters, if I convert that to milliliters, it's going to be 5,000 milliliters. Okay? It says convert 16 centimeters to milliliters. Okay, so I'm going to put 16 centimeters, and I'm going to draw my picket fence, and then I'm going to put milliliters over here because that's what they want the answer to be. And I'm going to find centimeters. Yeah, for every 1 centimeter, I have 10 milliliters. So for every 1 centimeter, I have 10 milliliters. Okay, and so I could write it either way. So I could say 10 milliliters over 1 centimeter. Okay, so centimeters is in the denominator. The numerator. I need it to be in the denominator, so I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to put 10 milliliters over 1 centimeter. Okay, my centimeters cancel. Now I say 16 times 10 is 160, and then 1. So it's going to be 16 centimeters is equal to 160
It's 9 o'clock.
milliliters. It's 9 o'clock. For every 1 kilogram, there are 1 million milligrams. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, and then milligram. Or I could write it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 milligrams over 1 kilogram. Okay, so let's do it. Let's see. Okay, so I got 5.6 kilograms. I'm going to draw my picket fence, and then I'm going to put milligrams here. All right, so kilograms is in the numerator, so I need my conversion factor to have kilograms in the denominator. So that would be this one here. So I'm going to try to put this big number in this little place. So let's see, and then I have to put 6 zeros, and then milligrams, and then 1 kilogram in the denominator. So now kilogram cancels. All right, so 5.6 times 1 million is going to be 5,600,000. Okay, and of course that's going to be 1. So my answer is going to be 5,600,000 milligrams. And let me write that like that. Okay, every 1 second there are 0.01 hectoseconds. Okay, you can write it like that, or we could write it like this. We could also say 0.01 hectoseconds over 1 second. All right, so my problem is 1,000 seconds. Draw my picket fence. My answer needs to be in hectoseconds. So I'm going to say it's seconds is in the numerator. So I need seconds to be in the denominator. Here it is right here. So I'm going to put it 0.01 hectoseconds over 1 second. Of course, seconds cancel. So that's going to be 1,000 times 0.1 equals 10. So it's 10 hectoseconds. So my answer is going to be 10 hectoseconds. 1 liter, I have 1.0. I'm just going to round this number up to 6. 1.06 quarts. Okay. Let's abbreviate it like that. Or I could write it like this: 1.06 over 1 liter. All right. So they're starting with liters. They're saying 3.0 liters, and they want me to convert that to quarts. Okay, so I have 3 liters, and I want it to be quarts, so I need to get rid of liters. Liters is in the numerator, so I need to find it in the denominator. So that's going to be 1.06 quarts over 1 liter. Then, of course, my liters cancel. Now I need to multiply. Okay, so that's going to be 3.0 times 1.06 equals, okay, so my answer is going to be 3.18 quart. All right, for every 1 kilogram, there are 2.18 2.205 pounds. Now, it could also be written like this, 2.205 lb over 1 kilogram. All right, so they want me to go from mass, kilograms. What is the mass in kilograms of a 50-pound bag of dog food? Okay, so they want me to go from pounds. They have 50 pounds. And they want me to go to kilograms. So I'm going to put my picket fence. Okay, so pounds is in the numerator, so I need this conversion factor. So that's going to be 1 kilogram over 2.205 pounds. All right, so pounds cancels. So let me multiply this out. So that's going to be 50 times 1. So that's going to be 2.205. So now I need to do some division. 50 divided by 2.205 equals 22. I'm going to round that up to 22.7 kilograms. Last one. A player hit a tennis ball 12 feet over the net. How many inches over the net did they hit the ball? Okay, so they want me to go from feet to inches. So there are 12 inches for every 1 foot. Okay, or you could also write 1 foot for every 12 inches. Okay, so they have 12 feet and they want me to go to inches. And so I'll draw my picket fence and I'll need feet to cancel. So I need this one. So that's going to be 12 inches in 1 foot. 12 times 12 is 144 if I remember right. And then this would be 1. So we're talking about 144 inches. I don't think you could